She found it. We drove past it.
Good, Anna.
You're very good, love. You're very good. I looked at it because I saw the ice cream flags.
What does it look like an hotel?
It doesn't. Looks like a...
My house.
Is it? Looking like your house, love. Come on, let's go and tell the guy that Booking.com sends us to the wrong location.
What the fuck is this?
What do you mean? Do you not speak English, love? No one speaks English. No one speaks English. Oh, I never noticed that. We can live without aircon for one night, love. I've got my sore throat's killing me for aircon. TV, internet, cars there, right at front. Pool's just there, love. Best bet for you, pool. We've got 2 rooms and a bathroom. What's the matter? Pardon? This, to me, looks like he built a big house and now he's lives on the bottom and he rents the top out as
Like an Airbnb, isn't it?
yeah, it's like a big Airbnb.
There's breakfast included in this place.
I don't think so. Do you want breakfast at all?
No.
The breakfast you haven't been eating for a start. Joe is taking advantage of the sunshine on the pool. And it's full. The place is absolutely jammed, isn't it? Place is jammed. You felt the temperature of the water, love? You're sweating on your cheeks, you can see it. I'm in shade, me, fuck that. I'm in shade. I don't believe in coming on holiday and getting yourself burns. I don't believe in getting yourself burns on holiday, do you, love? I can go in a sunbed at home and go brown. Or I can come here and burn myself and be in agony. I'd rather not. Anyway, we've had a bit of a duff day. We've seen a few things. We've got a few more open plans for tomorrow. None of the estate has got back to us. Like usual. They don't bother, do they, around here? You've got to knock on their doors. Do what works for them, I think. We're out for my evening meal now. 6ish. Clouds are coming over. It's supposed to rain tonight. Hello.
Hopefully.
Don't overeat salad tonight. I'm not having a fucking salad. We're fucking pissed off for fucking salad. Fucking salad it out. Salad it out. So we'll go down to what is it, Gabrovo, down here. We've had messages off the estate agent saying, can you meet us tomorrow at 4:30? Trouble is about fucking 6 hours fucking drive because we're going somewhere fucking else tomorrow. We're going to Popovo. We've got to phone another stage up in the morning. And these are not short distances, are they? See these mountains over that side, all mountains? Well, to get to the head office, you have to go all the way through them. It's fucking wild. We're not going fucking head office. She says call in, we're not. Well, fucking hell. It's winding. It's an hour there, an hour fucking back, and then whichever distance on. You just thought they'd have been on the ball, wouldn't they? We found a bloody shopping mall. We found a shopping mall, haven't we? It's only a diddy one. I found it, I know I found it. Kenny with me next time. At least I get sense off Kenny. And he says yes, yes coach, no coach. She's having a go at me. Bar woman, others having a go at me. No good taking women shopping, tell you lads. So, I thought I'd have a latte, and this one here, walking past, said, fucking no, she don't get that, you know that face where wife looks at you? It looks right through you. So I fucking understand it. First time you say, you don't have to repeat yourself. Like the one I get off Julie, now and then. Did you give me the face, didn't you? I repeat things, me. It's my phone. Coffee time. While Julie's looking at houses. You found any, sweetie? Oh yes. We find him every bleeding day. Right, we just had his coffees. We're going into bar and diner over there. And it's raining. You can smell it, can't you? And thunder. Thunder and lightning. Done it again, haven't we, love? Come somewhere they don't. Hear the thunder? Hear the thunder? So we come somewhere they don't speak English. Don't be frightened. So they don't speak English. So we've sorted that bit, yeah. A young lad's doing the... So what are you going to have? She just went to pay and he went, we only take cash. I've been telling her all day long, get some cash. Have I not? So where am I going now? Where is it?
Right now I've got the road.
It's across the road. So she's panicked. I'm just going to nip over there, get some cash. Back in a minute. I'm waiting for it to lighten. She didn't. Just there looking at me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. How much did you want? What is it? 100. Well, not cost 100, is it? 100 dib-dabs. Very quiet though, isn't it?
Yeah.
I want to see some thunder and lightning later.
I'm fucking rain, that's it.
Oh, it's just a bit.
Proper thunderstorm will clear the air.
Needs to clear it, doesn't it? Needs to refresh the atmosphere. Pump Jim. We go off the beaten path, don't we? We'd go where no one else would go, would we?
Yeah.
Just look at that young lad in there spoke English. I'm learning English. And we come around back alleys.
I know, do you know what I think with this? I think it's like driving about in a camper van, isn't it?
For us, yeah.
For us. It's something I've always wanted to do.
Keep going to different hotels, different areas, seeing different things. Can't knock it. Just can't knock it.
Yeah, we're not moving all day.
We'll just be sat at fucking lights waiting for it to change, and our lane's already gone green. And she's looking at the bloke at the side, he's looking at her going, well, you're not fucking going, or what?
And I'm looking at him thinking, what are you fucking staring at?
They have the amber flash here as well, don't they?
Yeah.
It flashes amber late when it's roads are empty like they are now.
Well, they have a countdown clock.
She's watching the countdown clock for going straight ahead, not turning right.
Alright.
So it looks like we might in for a heavy rainfall tonight.
Pitching.
I know.
It has cooled down a bit.
Yeah, it's down to 24 degrees.
Thank God.
Yeah, which is summer weather for us, isn't it? It's raining and there's steam coming off the ground. proper been raining here. All quiet. Ready for bed now, we're buggered. See if we can get in. Nice, isn't it?
Lots on that.
I know. It's raining. It's nice and fresh, isn't it though? Makes a bloody change, doesn't it, being so clammy. Right in the middle of the countryside as well. What?
Just flattened.
No, I missed it then. There it is. Caught that one.
Is that on video?
Think so. Was it fucking? You got caught out then? She shit it then.
It was fucking right
It was right there in the sky.
Come again.
They're pretty regular.
You got that?
Yeah.
It'll come again and big in a minute with that thunder. It'll come in a minute. Go down.
It's moving, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it? There's no bang, is there?
Not yet. No, innit?
Yeah, it's moved over, hasn't it?
It's over there.